Today, we have 4 houses.
What will we find inside?
There's something dangerous lurking inside each one, and we're gonna figure out what.
Dangerous? Oh well, let's go!
Okay, why don't we kick things off with the Iron House?
Sure.
Ready, open. Let's check it out.
JJ, look!
Wait, what's all this? Take a look at this awesome armor. Let's put it on. Oh, there's a sword too. Cool. Okay. Wow, we look sick.
Yeah!
Whoa.
We can beat anything now!
We're fully equipped. Let's go. Hang on. Pressure plates. Can we step on them?
Definitely. With our samurai armor and swords, there's nothing we can't handle. Right? Woohoo!
The pressure plate spawned a horde of zombies!
Hey! Help!
Attack!
JJ, help me! Please!
Use your charge attack!
How do I do that?
Watch!
I can't figure it out!
Bam!
Huh?
Yes!
Wow!
Whoa, that rocked! This armor is insanely tough! Hey, check out this door. I bet there's another enemy waiting on the other side. Come on!
We can handle it, no problem! Let's go!
Okay, I'm kinda nervous. 3, 2, 1, open!
What? Hold on! What's this thing?
Weird.
A statue?
It looks like armor. Is it?
Maybe.
Whoa, it came to life! It's definitely an enemy! I'll distract it, Mikey!
It's not working!
You can't attack it? Whoa!
What was that?
When it attacks, you have to... Go! Close one! Strike! See? Wait for an opening.